I'm gonna make this Michelin-Star quality omelette using only what I've learned from YouTube videos and try to recreate that signature French style at home. No fancy chef training, just me, my pan and a dream to make that delicious basic omelette. I've got a brand new coated steel pan, eggs, butter, salt, pepper, oil, chives, a bowl, spatula and that thing. I start with 3 eggs. I try to be fancy, cracking them with one hand, but usually fails and have to fish up the shell. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and then use my immersion blender, which also adds some air into the mix and adds a nice frothy texture. Then half a tablespoon of olive oil and a tip of butter. I set it to medium heat and then just wait for the oil and butter to melt together. The pan seems ready, so we'll just add the eggs. And now I have to keep stirring a lot just to keep it from sticking to the pan. Look how nice and frothy it is. This whole stirring process takes a while, about 2 or 3 minutes, depending on how much heat you have. I also found that this spaghetti spoon is actually good for stirring. It's starting to lump together a little bit, so I'm turning down the heat. And now it's beginning to get that perfect mix of cooked but still being a little bit runny. So I spread it out as good as I can. And now we just want that bottom part to be as flat and smooth as possible and let it set so that we can take it out. Meanwhile, I just keep checking the edges to see when it's ready. About now it looks firm enough to start lifting the edges without it breaking apart. And that's good. So it's about ready to roll over. I always use a black or dark plate if I can. Now the most challenging part, in my opinion, to roll the egg over itself without making a mess. It's easier the more you cook it, but you don't want to cook it for too long because you want it to still be a bit runny. So you have to find the right balance. Now just gently roll it out and onto the plate. And it's perfectly fine to make some adjustments, clean things up if you have to. And voila! Now we just add a little bit of butter on top. And we are done with the hard part. Now we're gonna add some color. We're gonna take out our chives and just cut off a little piece here. And then just cut these up as fine as you can. About this much is good. And then we just spread this over the egg and also around the plate as decoration. And now the same with salt, first over the egg and then also on the plate to add even more color and decoration. That's starting to look nice, isn't it? Now just finishing off with a little bit of black pepper, also around the plate, because it adds that earthy tone and texture to the plate. And there we have it. That's my version of the classic French omelette. Is it Michelin quality? Who knows? But to me it certainly is absolutely delicious. This is now my favorite quick breakfast or lunch meal. And remember, I just learned this from YouTube. And if I can do it, so can you. So why not try it today? Thanks for watching. I'm the Omelette Guy, and I'm here to help you make better eggs. Bye bye.